case of documents being leaked from the Petroleum Ministry got murkier on Friday. FIR in the case has said incriminating documents of Ministries of Defence, Coal and Power were recovered from the accused. The FIR also mentioned photocopies of secret documents including input for Finance Minister Arun Jaitley's budget speech has been recovered. Earlier on Friday, 2 more arrests took place in the espionage case in the Petroleum Ministry. Former journalist Shantanu Saikia and Prayas Jain are the latest to be arrested in the case. Saikia, an energy consultant, runs a web portal and Jain runs his own consultancy firm. On Thursday, 5 accused were arrested in the case. 2 junior officials of the Oil Ministry are also accused in the case. Investigations into the case have revealed that these accused were working for other people, though the name of any particular business house that may be directly involved has not been confirmed as yet.
We are not sure कि ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है या इंडिविजुअल की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. तब तक मेरे ख्याल में ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नाम लेना जायज नहीं होगा. तो अभी हमारी तफ्तीश चल रही है. जैसा मैंने कहा, कुछ तफ्तीश हमारी चल रही है, हम बातचीत कर रहे हैं.
The 5 accused arrested on Thursday were taken to the scene of the crime to ascertain how they accessed the office complex of the Petroleum Ministry, rooms of senior officials which they had allegedly accessed using duplicate keys in the middle of the night.
चंद व्यक्ति इस प्रकार से डॉक्यूमेंट्स को नाजायज तरीके से चोरी किया करते थे. चोरी करने के बाद वो उनको फॉर मनी सर्टेन इंडिविजुअल्स को दिया करते थे.
Petroleum Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has reiterated strict action will be taken against those found guilty in the leak of documents from the ministry.
Independent inquiry is going on. Let it complete fast. Everything will come out.
The arrested accused were on Friday produced in the Patiala House Court, after which the court remanded 4 accused to police custody till February 23rd and sent 3 others to 2 weeks judicial custody.
सरकार इस तरह की मिसडेमेनर को, मिसबिहेवियर को बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगी. स्विफ्ट एक्शन लेकर के, बहुत जल्दी एक्शन लेकर के सरकार ने इस पूरे इस तरह की गलत प्रक्रिया को रोकने के लिए काम किया है.
ऐसी कौन सी कंपनियां हैं, इसका खुलासा होना चाहिए. इन कंपनियों ने कौन कौन से अधिकारियों का इस्तेमाल किया, कर्मचारियों का इस्तेमाल किया, इसका भी खुलासा होना चाहिए. और अगर यूपीए के जमाने में भी ऐसा होता था तो सरकार पूरी तरह से स्वतंत्र है इसकी छानबीन कराने के लिए.
The issue of leak of classified documents from the Oil Ministry has caused a stir in corporate and political circles. Whether the corporate houses benefited or not, and whether officials of corporate houses were directly involved in this leak will become clear in the next few days. The big question on everyone's mind is, who benefits if the nexus between the corporate sector and the bureaucracy is established? Newsnight Desk, DD News.